Well, it's March here in northern Michigan. That means it's time to get my strawberries planted. And if you've never planted strawberries from rootstock before, this is a video for you. Check it out. If you've never purchased strawberry rootstock before, here's kind of how it looks when they come. In this case, it's a 10 pack where I've got 10 different separate plants in rootstock with individual sprouts that are coming up. And they're held together by this rubber band. You can see right there. So what you need to do first is very carefully separate them all out before you can get them planted. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right, so we got the rubber band here. Take that off and place that over there on top of the bag. You'll see the roots are kind of folded over each other. Just gently separate out. Put that guy back for later. And then we're just going to very carefully, to quote the great Taylor Swift, just give it a shake. There's one there, another one right here, another one here. And you'll see, so it's got the sprout here. This is your rootstock or the crown, and these are going to be all the roots that you're going to have. So I'm just going to finish this up and we will come back after I'm finished. Well, I've got 20 of the rootstock that you can see here, and then also split off with the sprout. Some of them look better than others, but they'll be fine. There's still got some new ones coming off. With this, what I'm going to do is now just follow the directions on the back of this here to make sure that the rootstock is down. So my next step is going to be prepping the bed here for my strawberries. Show you what that looks like. But the thing with strawberries, they come back every year as long as you protect the crown, which is this part right in here, with some mulch. So this already has mulch in it, and I'm going to have 20 plants all the way across. So we're on to prepping the bed here. And what you want to do is, for each of these rootstocks that you have, we want to make sure this is buried. Holes are big enough to go all the way down. We don't want to lay this off horizontal. We actually want to be vertical down this much. So in this case, you know, this standard trowel that we got here, you know, I'm going almost all the way down here. With that, let's start digging some holes. All right, folks, I've got them in. I just want to be able to show you this down here. So again, obviously this is our sprout. Here's a secondary sprout that broke off during shipping. This area right here, right down there, you can actually see this is where the crown is. You want to have that just a bit above the surface. So right now, not necessarily too much to look at, but in a course of a couple weeks, this will be filled up. Now, once you get all of your strawberries planted, next thing you're going to do is just hit them with some water. What that's going to do is obviously going to saturate the roots and give them a kickstart, but also it's going to help move any of the soil particles around and get into those roots to be able to help those plants get started. There you go, folks. That's it. Planting strawberries from roots is not that difficult. You have to be careful on a few things. They are delicate, but once you actually have them in the planter, they're going to be with you for a very long time. So with that, thanks for watching. See you next time.